Today, I'm taking on the challenge of creating 5 mind-blowing drawings in just one video. Can I pull it off? As artists, we've all been there, stuck in a creative rut, struggling to come up with new ideas or techniques to take our drawing skills to the next level. It's like hitting a wall and not knowing how to break through. We've scoured the internet, flipped through countless art books, and still, our drawings seem to be missing that special something. The truth is, finding inspiration can be tough, especially when it feels like everything's been done before. You start to wonder if it's even possible to create something unique and original. But, what if I told you that there are techniques out there that can breathe new life into your art? Sometimes, all it takes is a fresh perspective or a new skill to unlock your full creative potential. And that's exactly what I'm excited to share with you today. Get ready to have your mind blown. The first technique I'm going to show you is called stippling. It's a painstaking process that involves creating images using tiny dots. The effect is incredibly detailed and can produce some amazing results. By varying the density and spacing of the dots, you can achieve a wide range of values and textures. The second technique is gesture drawing. This involves quickly sketching the overall pose and movement of a subject, focusing on capturing its energy and dynamism. It's a great way to loosen up and get your creative juices flowing. You can use gesture drawing to warm up before a longer drawing session or to quickly capture a fleeting moment. The third technique I'm going to share is sgraffito. This Italian word means to scratch and involves scratching through a layer of paint or ink to reveal a lower layer. It's a fantastic way to add texture and interest to your drawings. You can use a variety of tools, from scalpels to household items, to create different effects. The fourth technique is layering. By building up layers of transparent washes or colored pencil strokes, you can achieve rich, luminous colors and incredible depth in your drawings. It's a slow and meditative process, but the results are well worth the effort. And finally, the fifth technique is mixed media. This involves combining different art supplies and materials to create something entirely new. One of these techniques really stood out to me, and that's the layering technique. Watching the layers build up and transform into a completely different image is truly mesmerizing. It's like magic, right before your eyes. So, there you have it, 5 incredible drawing techniques to inspire your creativity and take your art to new heights. Remember, the key to growth as an artist is to keep experimenting and trying new things. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and explore different mediums and techniques. If you're as excited as I am,